I'm Dr. Shanti, ENT surgeon, Sri Sri Holistic Hospitals, KPHB. Today we are going to discuss about the sinus disease and allergic rhinitis. The most common symptoms and signs of sinus disease are nose block, running nose, purulent nasal discharge, headache and heaviness of the face, sometimes ear block also. Clinically, we have to see any tenderness over the sinusitis and also look into the nasal cavities for any purulent discharge. We have to manage by doing a nasal endoscopy and a CT scan PNS to diagnose the sinusitis. On nasal endoscopy, we can look for deviated nasal septum, inferior turbinate hypertrophies, or a middle turbinate enlargements. And we can put management can be based on the symptoms. You can be kept on antibiotics for 1 week to 10 days with antihistaminics and also nasal drops. If the symptoms are not getting elevated for a period of 2 to 3 months, then we may have to look into the option of surgery, that is correction of the septal deviation and hypertrophy of the inferior turbinates, and also removing the disease from the sinuses. So we have to differentiate between chronic sinusitis and allergic rhinitis. In allergic rhinitis, the predominant symptom will be sneezing and itching and watery nasal discharge. So allergic rhinitis is totally managed by medication and prevention. Prevention of the allergens, exposure of the allergens. You have to identify what allergens are causing this problem, and you can be kept on antihistaminics and mostly on steroid nasal sprays for about 3 to 4 weeks. Surgery cannot be a solution for allergic rhinitis. Only sinusitis associated can be relieved with the surgery. The surgery is based on mainly on opening of all the sinuses and removing the disease. We should also rule out nasal polyps, that means water-filled nasal cysts in the nose, that can also give the same symptoms like allergic rhinitis. If they are diagnosed, we have to do a functional endoscopic sinus surgery. Functional endoscopic surgery is basically removing the minimal amount of disease and giving a good airway and a good patency of the both nasal cavities.